A race is 10 kilometres long, is split into swimming and then running. Harry swims at an average speed of 2 kilometres per hour and then runs at an average speed of 14 kilometres per hour. If Harry completes the race in 2 hours, find how far he swam and how far he run. So if we let x be the distance of the swim and y the distance of the run, then we know that speed is distance divided by time. But if we rearrange that for time, because we want to find distance and we've got speed, then the time will be distance divided by speed. Right, now forming our equations. For the time taken, we know that the time taken for the swim will be x divided by 2. Why is it x? X is the distance of the swim. 2 is the speed that he ran it on, so that's the time. Plus the time he did for the run, so y was the distance he did for the run, and 14 was the speed of the run, and we know that in total is 2 hours. For the total distance, we know that x plus y must be equal to 10. Right, if we now, the problem with this equation, we've got fractions in it, so if we multiply this equation through by 14, that will be 14 divided by 2, that gives me 7x, plus 14 over 14, y, 2 times 14 is 28. This one we'll just keep the same, and we'll call that one equation 1 and this one equation 2. So we've got our two simultaneous equations here, we can now solve them. If we subtract, the y's will be eliminated, so we've got 7x minus x, which is 6x, y minus y, which is nothing, and then 28 minus 10, which is 18. Divide both sides by 6, we're going to get that x is 3. To find y, it would be easy to use this one here, equation 2. So we've got 3 plus y is equal to 10, therefore y, if we take 3, y will be equal to 7. We should just check that in this equation here. So check in equation 1, so we've got 7 times 3 plus 7. 7 3s are 21 and 7 plus 7, and that makes 28. And that's what I wanted. So we've got agreement. So we can say that the swim is 3 kilometres and the run is 7 kilometres. So this has been a video to show you how to model a race split into 2 different parts using simultaneous equations. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.